a loan of up to £300 you can pay back in 90 seconds. Apply today at sasumaLoans.co.uk.
Oh boy. So, when he thinks that you're part of England, so he doesn't